Keto-friendly homemade French toast. Don't mind if I do. So first, put your 2 little eggs in a little bowl. You know, you don't want to wash bowls, so get the smallest one. A little bit of nutmeg, even more ground cinnamon. I use some Encanto monk fruit sweetener. I don't know how much that was. Y'all gonna have to rewind the video and stop it. Shake it like a salt shaker. Mix it like you're messy. Yeah, shout out to Nipsey Hussle. I got the Crenshaw, shirt on. I did add a little bit more cinnamon. Sprayed that with some spray I got from Aldi that the cat broke, but I put it back. Ooh, look at that watermelon. Why is it so hard to find seeded watermelon? So the bread I'm going to be using is a bread that I don't particularly like, but I paid $6 for it. It's 1 net carb per slice. I prefer the Aldi one, by the way. Go ahead and sop that up in that little bowl. Get it all in the nooks and crannies because you want every piece to taste good. Now, if you want some aesthetically pleasing French toast, make sure do not put your heat on more than high, okay? Now, go ahead and flip, flap. The one thing about cooking, you really just got to stand there. I ain't really a stand-up type of girl. Well, at least not for cooking. But this was pretty. I paired that with some watermelon because keto-friendly now. My son, little chubby hands, got his favorite syrup, which is from Walmart, the Great Value sugar-free. It's inexpensive and it tastes good, okay? He added a whole bunch of, I want to do it. Look. You need to want to give me some money. When he reached for this plastic fork, I was happy because I didn't even want to make food and I didn't want to wash dishes. Bye.